Now you will share your screen. What do you want to say? What do you want to show?
Um,
Are you getting any background noise from my side?
How in the
Are you getting any kind of voice background noises from my side?
background noise? No background noise.
Okay.
Okay, so I share my screen. Okay,
Yeah. Oh, you took the trade
I
yesterday.
no, this was the Monday straight last
Oh, okay.
Monday straight, but I exited here. I exited
Why?
here, some I exited here, and then the
Okay.
balance 30%. I got after I see this buy move with volume, I got a bit scared with this. So I exited here
Oh,
some the balance 30%.
yeah. Because if you what about if you know the bigger story, then you add this, yeah,
Yeah,
instead of visiting,
that's
because
why
this is opportunity.
that's my weakness
Yes.
so now because when there's a clearly after the incident I can say that this thing is escaping. Clearly after the incident I can say that was a continuous refresh, right?
Okay.
This move here is a continuous refresh, right?
Yeah, we can say for selling, right?
Yeah, for the big boy to do the sell.
Yes, because this is your low is not taken out. This low is taken out. This is your low and high, and this is your, yeah, this is low and high, and again this is your low and high. You can say, right? This is your first low and high. Okay, so this is all your proof, right? This is all your proof. Okay, when, and I know this is your already GWS is here, but this is your source territory, so this will be applicable, right? Because price actually this price actually this is the supported, right? Price
Yeah.
from this area, price pushing downwards and breaking down, this is responsible. After that, here is a reach happened GWS, but this is, if you see, this is a small range and this is a bigger range, so which one you should look for, this one or this range, this tiny ranges? This is obviously this one, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So that's why we will focus, right, this area. Sorry, you will focus this area.
Okay,
Okay, and
okay.
this is last buyers. This is the last buyers trapped. Okay.
Where's where's the last that when they breached to the downside?
Yeah, this is the last
Okay,
buyers. Who just read here. Suppose
okay.
this is a V formation happened. This V formation happened, and then price came down. The rejection candle. So, everyone is buying from this here, right? Okay.
Yeah, yes,
And
yes.
who are there waiting to buy? They just, want to take confirmation. They buy again here, right? Okay.
Mhm,
And this buy is not work and slam down to their entry. So they panicked. And,
mhm.
after that, retail player, they see, oh, yes, these buyers actually come, those buyers came, but we don't have an opportunity to enter right now. We have an opportunity because price came at this support area, so we should buy. So
Yeah,
they
okay,
last buyer they buy, and then price collapsed against the area, right? So
okay.
who is the last buyer? So this is the last buyer's strike.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. And so this breach down. So this will be my last strap area, right? Just a little bit zoom
Yeah.
out, little bit zoom out on this strap area.
Zoom in, you mean?
Sorry, zoom in. Sorry. Zoom in. I always confused in zoom in, zoom out. Okay. So here, where is the area? Where is the area? The trap area? This one, right? Okay. But
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. So this is your support area, right? The buyers are buying here, right? Okay, and support area. So when this red candle, this is a divider, right? One red candle is here, the red came down, again going up, right? So this will be your SNR area, SNR, right?
Okay.
Like
Okay.
this one.
Okay.
So everyone buying at this SNR area, but this is unfortunately it's not respecting this corruption, right? So
Yeah.
this will be your hidden trap area buyers. Because
Oh.
this candle are responsible to buy actually, but those buyers so much weak, that's why the sellers take over the buyers, all the buyers, right? In
Okay.
this case,
Okay. Okay. So what you're
in this
doing,
case,
sir?
if
Like
this is a
this.
SNR,
Okay.
if this is a SNRs, in this is a design, if you say the price, price will gonna back by right from here, holding, and then going up, right? It's responsible. The first is a defense area, SNR
Okay.
for the
Okay.
buyers.
Okay.
Okay. In hindsight, they are all buying, right? There is a limit
Yeah.
order,
Okay.
but the sellers order so much there. Those limit buy orders or market orders, they are not forcing or halting like this kind of design. It's not made here, right? Because
Okay.
those halting means ki at that time buyers and sellers orders they are fulfilling.
Okay.
That's why price in range.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
But if one-sided is very strong, right, the selling order is very, very much more than buying orders, and then at that area it will not respect it, it will collapse down, crash down. Right. So same
Okay.
thing
Okay.
happen here.
Okay. Okay.
One candle, two candle, three candle, right? Some tiny
Yeah.
candle here. Okay, this is not a good. This is seller's candle. Again, digits 80%, 90% buyers came pullbacks. Again, slash
Okay.
slam down.
Okay.
Right. So this is the reading, it's means so this is my area. This is my area, the trap area. Sorry, I will connect here, right? Particular this area.
Okay. Okay.
This area.
দেখো ডাক্তারবাবুকে জিজ্ঞাসা করে তাতে 5টিতে বসবে নাকি একটু লিখে দাও আমি লিখতে পারছি না
Just wait a minute.
মেসেজটা করেছি আপনার কাছে বিকেলে কাজ করতে এসেছেন নামটা লিখে নেন বলে মায়ের নামটা দিয়ে দেন
Okay, so this is the tiny trap area, but this is the precision, right? But
Okay. Okay.
whole
Okay.
are those wires within ranges, right? Those
Yes.
wires trap, those wires trap, those wires trap, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the last one is here, this precision. So we will, just taking as a level, right?
Okay.
Trap
Okay.
level.
Okay. Okay.
So on that area, when suppose, now you read the price action. Now from this area, sellers came down low and high, right? So this is the last lower high.
Yeah.
Okay. So again, the selling, they are trying to sell. These buyers came strong and sellers tried, but they failed. The
Yeah.
first time refresh is here, right? Okay.
Okay.
Now,
This one is a miniature
when-
refresh, right, sir?
yes, miniature refresh, right?
Okay. Okay.
Miniature
Okay.
refresh.
Okay.
The flow is down, we have to look for selling. But where are we selling? At the end. So if he is selling here, so that will be very too late because the selling started here
Okay.
and we
Okay.
are selling here. Right. It's
Okay.
very overextended. Then let them come at least this area, 50 or 60% area, so that we can
Okay.
sell, right? So this is your trap area. So you just leveling it like this, okay?
Okay.
The refresh, these buyers came, okay, these sellers actually they sold, but they failed, right? So this is a trap, right? Right? This is a trap.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Understand? This is a trap. Okay, so this is a refresh.
Yeah.
Yes, this is a refresh. This is a trap area. So when these
This is
buyers came,
this is primary. This is secondary.
yeah, now you understand the inside the primary, the
Okay.
reading, the price action,
Okay.
buyers and
Okay.
sellers, right?
Okay.
This is the primary secondary, yes, that's what you all know
Okay.
overally. But inside, how you taken the trade in the primary area and the secondary area, each and
Okay.
every
Okay.
attempt, how would you attempt, right? So that's the
Okay.
important.
Okay.
So
Okay.
when this green candle came very strong, would you sell there at this against this candle?
No.
Why?
Because now only the refresh is coming in. We don't know where the primary never coming yet.
No, that's no primary. Actually, the coming from this top area to this area, that when it will be done, then we will call it as a primary. But
Okay.
you are about to take trade here
Okay.
during the primary. Now
Okay.
during primary, you are in the trade in primary formation. Understand what I'm saying,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So we trade. We will trade there in the primary,
Okay.
right?
Because this is a miniature refresh, that's why we trade the primary.
Yes.
Okay.
So this
And
is
also we
miniature,
found
whatever
our
is.
level. Also we found our level.
Yes, as
Okay.
much as possible, as soon as possible in this zone or in this area, the price will be coming in the trap area. But how they are approaching, right? The behavior,
Okay.
the behavior of price, how they are coming, that
First
is
the buyers
most important.
came strong
If
first.
yes, suppose the bus is coming very strong, right?
Mhm.
The bus is coming very strong. Is the light okay? And you are standing here. Sorry, this is a small one. You have to. This is the very tiny guy. You are just telling that, wait, I will stop you. The bus is coming
Okay.
100 km per hour,
Okay.
right? So this is the road. Will you able to stop this bus?
No.
Will you able? Then
No.
when if this is your trap area and price is coming very strong, are you counter-attacking? Are you able to do you able
No.
because so why what is the reason?
Because your momentum is very strong, you must see the first slowdown
Yes,
first.
yes, the speed,
Ah,
the bars,
okay.
or the momentum of the price,
Okay.
the same thing.
Yeah.
The speed or the momentum is very intense,
Okay.
right? So right now we will not sell, right? We will not any kind of selling, right?
Okay.
Or any kind of action we will not we will not take, right?
Okay.
Then this is your GWS area. So price is, see, this is the price breakout happened.
Mhm.
These sellers after they're retesting, if you see on the 3 minutes, 1 minute, you will see clear
Mhm.
pullback,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
After that the two buyers candle came. How the buyers came,
A bit
right?
weaker, a bit slower, a bit
This
with the wicks.
yes. So now you tell me this body and the wicks is the 50% body, 50% wicks, right?
Yeah. Correct.
It means body and wick they're equal.
Yeah. That
Okay.
means
Maybe,
rested 50%.
yes, maybe it's preparing, but it's not final. Maybe.
Okay.
I'm telling you the maybe.
Okay.
When the ratio body to wick ratio, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Will be greater than 1, right?
Okay.
It means say if this is a suppose it's a 5 pips and there is a 15 pips wicks. So there will be less than 1, right? The count will be okay. So it
I
means
don't understand that part. When you say
just
ratio 1
so-
to.
yes, just, this is the wicks, right? The small wicks. So
Okay.
this is
The ratio of
wi-
width to the body.
this so open to close there is a suppose 10 pips, assuming.
Okay.
Understand? And open to high, if you consider this is actually 40 pips.
Okay.
So you
Understand.
are getting 40 minus 10. How much wicks are getting? You are getting 30 pips.
So the wick is 30 pips and the body is 10 pips.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. if you divide 30 by 10,
1 to 3.
3 by 1, 3,
3 into 1.
right?
Okay.
It's when third time is bigger
The
weeks
weeks. Okay.
than the
Okay.
body.
Understand.
Understand?
Understand.
So the ratio has to be greater than 1 always.
So if the ratio is greater than 1, then what do? We can tell that
Yes.
it's a weak.
Yeah, it means the body is doesn't have a strength. What this means weak is in probes, right?
Yeah.
Suppose if the open is open price is open here, if this is a green candle, right? Okay, so there's a open, right? There's a open, sorry, there is a open. Just let me there's a open. Okay, price first they're going upside and they comes right back in here, closing.
Yes.
There is a opening, right? There is a
Okay.
closing. Now tell me, these buyers breached, right? Here
Mhm.
to here, from low to high.
Yeah.
Now pullback coming 80%,
Mhm.
80%, right? Or 90%, whatever.
Okay.
Close to 80 or 90%. So what the look like will be is this kind of thing.
Yeah. A weak with on
This
top.
means this entire buyers move, the entire momentum is fake.
Mhm.
So that easily sellers comes down and they are engulfing or they are gobbling all the buyers close to 80%.
Okay.
So why is the strength of this of the buyer?
Yes, correct.
Is they joking? Is they are making fun? Buyers are making fun?
Okay.
Obviously they are making fun.
Yeah.
So when you feel your inside, right, inside you, the buyers actually making fun of me,
Mhm.
right? Because when the candle formation is already forming, right, there is a range, right? And when breakout is happening during this stage, you are not waiting for the close. You see breakout is happening, you enter here. You see prices going upwards, you enter here. But the close like this happened, then will you be stuck here?
Yeah.
Obviously,
Yeah.
because your stop loss will be there,
Yeah.
right?
Correct.
Then you will go to loss or break even. Price will go
Mhm.
area. Then price collapse down. You would release your losses at the break even, right?
Yeah.
And the price collapses if the bias is down.
Okay.
Understand the in this one candle psychology.
Yes. Understand. So.
And if this is happening at the trade area, then what will be the strength? What will be the effective? What will be effective for the selling? That is very easy.
Yeah. So when we see this at the trap area, should we enter immediately? Is it?
No, you should not enter. You have to close like this candle, right? What I just explained is
Yeah.
you have to
Yeah.
wait for closing. If you are seeing the 15-minute chart, then you at least on this time frame you have to wait for close in this time frame at the trap area, right?
Okay.
At that trap area, you have to. So that is after that when the closing will be done final, then you can go lower time frame to see where I can get the entry, right?
Okay.
So right now.
Okay.
Now I'm just, next part I'm continuing, right? Suppose this is your, uh, just student. Okay, so this is your trap area, right? Okay, so this candle came already they are coming to the
Trap area.
and inside this area, right? But the candle body to close is equal, right? Okay, and also if you see this candle enter high to low range, right? And this
Okay.
candle is a smaller candle, right? Smaller candle, likely.
Yeah.
But the body to ratio also is 50-50%. But
Yeah.
the thing is here, there is a, there is already, a candle like this, high to low range, big enough. After that, next green candle, right? This much, right? Okay. So it means the second candle is much lower size, high to low range than previous candle. It means buyers candle size, buyers candle range also shrinking, and
Reducing
also
the
their wicks
length.
is also very strong. Okay, as far as they are going upwards, their body is shrinking.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Now I think now you see this, you have seen this candle, right?
Mhm.
Okay, in this area, tribe area. You are not waiting, chalo. Okay, I don't know what will be the exact reversal. No one, right? Until the
Okay.
candle formation is done.
Okay.
Right. So right now, so you are actually in here in this candle, right? So do your vertical line. Put your vertical line in between here. Vertical line in this candle.
Oh,
No,
vertical
vertical line.
line.
I'm saying
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Vertical line. On which candle, sir? This candle. Okay.
No. The next candle. Yes. In this candle.
This
Okay.
one.
Okay. Not this one. The previous one.
Okay.
Yes. Just wait. And also one vertical line. Put it there. Beside it.
This one.
Yes. This one. This one also. Sorry. Next one.
This one.
Yes. Now you go for 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
One thing. Just put it your horizontal line at the top of the red candle.
This one here.
Here.
Oh,
No,
here.
no.
The bridge.
This one. The bridge here, right? Okay.
Okay.
Now you just go and 3 minutes time frame and come to this area. Okay. Just zoom in on that spot. You just remove this. Okay, just shrinking your extruded ratio drawing. Okay. Yes. Now just as much as possible, you just zoom in. Yes. First, hold on. Okay. Now you're reading, right? So now you just okay, just you observe this candle formation particularly like this. Okay, the first candle.
Okay.
Okay. Now you're understanding your candle. Mark it.
You mean this candle as a
Yeah, I know. You just mark this vertical line on this candle,
okay.
right?
On the 15
So
minutes time
on that,
frame.
yeah, on the 15 time frame. So this is actually inside the 50 minutes candle. How is candle formation, right?
Okay.
If you see the wires came very, 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 very strong. Just
Yeah.
from beginning to ending, they are very strong. Okay, chalo,
Yeah.
let's we found out. This is
Okay.
the area, recent area. They are taking a support, right?
Okay.
Sellers trying out, just sellers get 30%, right? Or
Okay.
20%. This swing to swing, right? It's
Yeah.
when sellers very weak. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Again, buyers very stubborn. Again, sellers came very choppy. So you are unsure because your buyer is not choppy.
Yeah, correct.
Your buyer is
And strong still.
your buyer's momentum very strong, right?
Okay.
After that, so this is you just put it there horizontal line on the 15 time frame. This is a area, right? Okay, no. I'm just talking about this is you have
correct.
just put it there the horizontal line because
Yeah.
this is SNR line on the
Mini
15 time frame.
SNR.
Now you mini SNR. Now
Yeah.
the sellers came. Now the buyers came, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
now tell me the first buyers came strong. After that, the buyers came very weak, than the first buyers, and third buyers also very weak,
Okay.
right? Do you see the
Yeah.
momentum, gauging momentum? What Navin talks about?
Yeah, I can see the
You get
weakness flowing
first one
on.
strong, second one like this, and third one this.
Yeah, correct.
Do you remember what I call this logo?
Adidas logo.
Yeah, always remember that.
Yeah.
Right. Always remember that. So Adidas
Yeah.
logo you are getting, right?
Okay.
And after that, this is a recent SNR, right? Because there is no bleached happen because the green candle is not bleached, right?
Okay.
They close inside this area, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So finally you are getting the first sign, right? Buyers is not able to breach here. Okay, let's see. But we will not take trade here. We will just reading the data, right?
Okay,
Reading the
okay,
projection.
okay.
Now, this is your GWS, right?
Yeah,
Right? This is your SNS, price is holding,
yeah.
going upwards, then price is also holding. Again, buyers came, they failed first time,
Mhm,
right? So
mhm.
this is second time because buyers came here also, they are unable to higher high. This is
Yeah,
the first time, this is second time. All and then price came and breached. This candle breached.
yeah.
No need to see the volume, right? Right.
Okay,
We will connect the volume later, right? But
okay,
try to understand the reading, right? So
okay.
this is the breach happened, a good candle, and this SN is broken down, and there is a GWS. So at this area, see how the buyers performing. Candle came,
Mhm.
candle came, right? The
Okay.
candle came, but they not able to
Mhm.
anything,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So your entry should be here. Your entry should be at this area because this is the last buyer's trap area. If you enter here, your stop loss is here, right?
Last buyer's trap is
You know, this is your last buyer's trap because this is the SNL area, right? Yeah, this is your established SNL because from this area buyers they're trying. But if you see all or closely,
Mhm.
suppose this is your range, right?
Yeah,
Okay, this is the top
okay,
of the range. This is the low of the range,
okay,
right? On the
okay.
range, what where you buy at the low and where you sell at the top,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So when the price came and this candle rejected like this resistance
okay,
candle, so even
okay,
buyers buy, after that buyers came but they unable to perform and they breached down. So that's when these buyers trapped, these
yeah.
particular single buyers,
And also
right? So
this
this is your
buyer
trap.
here also trapped, right?
Where?
So yeah, I circle here. This buyer also attempted one round one. Here it
Yeah,
is.
yes. So these were attempted, right? Because they
Yeah.
are seeing these buyers very strong, right? So that's why they are
Mm-hmm.
attempting buy. But those buyers failed at this moment. At this moment, they at this moment this buyer failed, right?
Yeah.
Because this SNS is the holding here, and this candle breached out.
Okay.
This particular single candle breached out, right?
Okay.
Breached
Okay.
down
Okay.
to this SNL. It means this SNL is invalidated according to this candle. Okay, now we will
Okay.
see how the buyers came at this GWC, right?
Okay. PWS
Do,
here.
do, do, do you understand what I'm saying? Prices coming like this, right? As long as they are going upwards, they are breaching very less, right? And
Okay.
then this SNS holding, right?
Mm-hmm.
But these buyers unable to perform and then breached out. So when this SNR is breached down, so this is your GWS sellers, mini seller GWS, because this support
Okay.
is broken down. Understand,
Okay.
this is your GWS sellers because this is breached out. The mini downtrend started.
Okay. So are you considering this one as a bridge then?
Yeah, technically,
Okay. Okay.
how the range happened, the range happened, this is right.
Okay.
Okay. And there is no breakout happen, right? According to candle closing, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
But in the lower time frame, if you go on the 1 minute time frame, suppose, so there is a
Mm-hmm.
candle already closing, but that wicks actually is there, right? Like this is the wicks.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Suppose I'm explaining that. This is your area, right? Candle formation like this, a green candle, and wicks came. On the
Okay.
lower time frame, buyers going up, breach happened, and sellers came
Come
down.
back.
Only
Yeah.
buyers going out. So I consider as breach. We don't
Okay.
know there's a fake or not. We will judge it later when
Okay.
the
Okay.
all the things
Okay.
will happen. But
Okay.
right now,
Okay.
this actually on the live market, we will see as a breach, right?
Okay.
We will
Okay.
see as a
Okay.
pullback. After that, is it fake or not, right? So
Okay.
that's why when
Okay.
this actually buyers came, so see the price came choppy first candle sellers, second candle choppy also choppy, and
Yeah.
third candle see rejections and in downside. It means the pullback is choppy according to the buyers,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
right?
Okay.
What is
Okay.
the what is the fake out? The
It will
buyers,
come back immediately.
yes, the buyers going out and sellers can immediately come down. The same
Mm.
buyer's candle and same seller's candle,
Okay,
right?
okay.
But here, one green candle, but there's one, two, three candles.
The holding.
The holding. It
Okay,
means
okay.
the intensity of buyers one candle very strong and the intensity of sellers three candle very weak. They're
Okay,
inside
okay.
this candle. That's why you are telling that this is not a fake out.
Okay. Understand.
Market trend to when market breach not happen on that moment, it is transferring into channel,
Yeah.
right? After
Yeah.
that it's a making a range. Market shifting, the rollover happens trend to channel, channel to range, trend to channel, channel to range, TCR.
Yeah.
This is the rule of the market.
Okay. Trading time
Because
channel.
because this is the way of slowing the momentum.
Okay.
You can't, the bus driver, they suddenly stop their bus, right? Momentum.
Yeah.
Because they use the braking system, right? 100 km/h to came down to 70, 60, right? 40, 30. Slowly they came down. Not
Yeah.
instant, 100 to 0,
Correct.
right? Because there will be accident,
Yeah.
right? So this is the nature of the momentum slowdown. That's why
Yeah.
you trained the channel to range. You have to understand this whole concept, how the price slowing down. If you know the slowing down, then it is very easy. Then you enter here, right? You enter here, your stop loss will be there, right? So this is already your left hand side, at the strong territory, slash territory area, trap area, right? And your flow with you, right? Okay, so you already see the 15-minute time frame, all they are closing this candle like this. Okay, everything that, right? Everything that your top-down analysis, is final, is ready. Already top-down analysis, you're already
Done.
uh
That's the
already made it,
level.
right?
Yeah.
Already done. Yes, everything is done in the higher time frame. Now you focusing this much area because at this area you interested and the others data you have watched, right, on the 15 time frame, they all complete your the criteria. Whatever the criteria is needed, already they fulfilled on the higher time frame,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Now you are just coming, you came in the lower time frame to see the precision you want to see because you want to put your SL very less.
Okay.
You want to keep your SL very less.
Okay.
If your SL hit, then you don't have to bother because my SL is too small.
Okay. So exactly where you said you enter. This is the bridge.
So this is the bridge and this is the last buyer's attempt and then this seller's breached out. So this is your seller's GWS,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
So this is your pullbacks, right?
Oh.
When this first buyer came, second sellers came, they failed. Again, if you see on the lower time frame, you see there is a little bit breach happened, this candle. So this is a refresh, continuation refresh.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
This is actually happened.
Very tiny level. 1 minute, 15 seconds.
Yes.
Okay,
You have to think that deeply because you have to go that deeply so that
Okay.
you will understand, right?
So
This is the tip.
either here or we can also enter around this area.
Yeah, you
here.
can enter. So when you enter, your SL will be there, right? Because there is a another landman area close to this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So when these buyers came, right, now you have to use the volume, right? So
Okay.
where actually you enter here at the enter here, so you see the high volume is here, right? Okay. After that, here is the high volume, right? In this area, little high volume, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So and after that, if you see, so there is the high volume.
Yeah.
Which candle?
This one.
This candle. So if your buyers with a high volume, it should launched.
Yeah. Correct.
Because at the SNL area, the buyers is coming,
Correct.
right? It should launch, right? But it is not launching, it's coming reverse. It's mean this is not the buyers and the sellers volume, right? So it's mean It's been particularly this candle is your trap area in this range because of the high volume. Did you say any breakout happen or sustain in a probe and there is no breakout?
Mhm.
Understand?
Mhm.
That is the
Okay.
precise because of volume segregated your level.
Okay, here you said, sir, there's a breakout to the downside there, and then you say there is a
Yes,
trap bias
yes, but where is the high volume?
here. Here, this
Yeah,
candle.
so it means this is your SNR area. So the buyers came here, again the buyers came here, but this is actually this SNR is invalidated because of this SNR preached. But we don't know these guys how will we react, right?
Yeah,
But
okay.
if at the last CWS area, this is the buyers territory area, this is the SNR area. I just
Mhm.
explained you before that this is the SNR area, this is the last CWS area, this is a buyers territory,
Yeah,
this is the SNR area, right?
yeah,
And this is the first line of defense, right? If FOD first line of defense, because the buyers will react at this area. If
Mhm.
this is not reacted, then again second reacted this area,
Mhm.
right? Buyers will
Yeah.
it. If it failed, then all the buyers gone. Then the
Okay.
whole buyers are trapped.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay. Understand.
So when understand, just
Understand.
remaining there is remaining 3 minutes. Okay, and so that's why when this is your area, right? So and
Mhm.
these buyers now you no use your logic, right? So these sellers come in very strong. These sellers invalidated. Now the buyers came. If the buyers came at this SNR deep area, right? So if they are producing high volume, but why they are resisting the why buyers itself they are
Mhm.
resisted by the sellers. Why? If the volume is there,
Okay.
if you have money, then why you can't buy Lamborghini?
Mhm. Correct.
Because that money is a loan money. It's not your money.
Okay. It's
If
just a
if you have
show.
yes, if you have your
Okay.
own money, then you can buy a Lamborghini without any headache, without any stress, because you don't have any to pay EMI. This is your money.
Okay.
You have earned, but you have same amount, but this is not your money. This is the bank's money. So you are
Okay.
not able to buy the Lamborghini.
Okay.
Same thing. This volume is the actual buyer. It's showing, but it's not. It's the seller's money.
Mhm. Understand.
I think this example is very good for
Yeah.
understanding.
Yes. Very good example, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Think your logic. If this is a buyer's money, then why they are not performing or why they are not taking any actions to go upside to make
Correct.
higher high? Why? Because it's not their volume. It's the
Mm.
seller volume.
Yes, correct. It's just the sellers filling up their orders, but it's the
Yes.
candle is me showing green candle.
Yes. A lot of the lot of traders they think this is a buyer's volume candles volume is coming very strong, then they will buy here. Still this next candle they are also buying here in the lower time frame, but they breached out. They are all trapped.
Okay.
Are you interested to for the next meeting?
Yeah, I can if you have time, sir.
You have time? Yeah, I have a time that I'm sharing next meeting.
Okay.
Yeah, you can share your
Okay. I will send you also.
send me also.
Okay.
First.